Did you know you can turn your passion for art into profit? Let's dive into how creative teens can make money selling their art online. First, setting up your Etsy shop is super easy and costs almost nothing. Just a few clicks and you're ready to showcase your art. Next, focus on pricing your art. Research similar items and set a price that reflects your effort and uniqueness. Promote your shop on social media. Share your art journey and connect with potential buyers to increase visibility. Optimize your listings with great photos and descriptions. Make it easy for buyers to fall in love with your work. Meet Sarah, a teen artist who made $1,000 selling her custom art on Etsy. She turned her passion into profit. Just like Sarah, you can turn your creative passions into an online business. So gather your friends, brainstorm ideas, and start creating. Remember, every masterpiece starts with a single brushstroke. And don't forget to celebrate every sale. Each one brings you closer to your goals. Stay organized and motivated. Your creativity can lead to amazing opportunities. So what are you waiting for? Start your Etsy journey today and unleash your creativity.